Hello everyone, my name is Xinzhou. Today I will give you a presentation in engg955. My main topic is ground improvement using scrubbed tire. After doing some research, I determined my topic is influence of rubber form on purpose of rubber modified concrete. For the contents, this is my contents of the presentation. In the introduction, I will talk something about background and the current situation of recycling tire. In the literature review, I will show you some of the articles I've read. In the research question, I will outline why my topic is very important. In the research design, I will explain the steps of design and why I chose this design. Finally, I will give a brief conclusion. For the introduction, rapid urbanization and industrialization have led to a large amount of domestic and industrial waste such as ceramic waste, plastic waste, scrap rubber tires with depending of awareness of environmental protection. The disposal of this waste has been a global problem. However, waste recycling is not well done in some countries, especially developing countries. Despite the many efforts made by government to protect the environment, some waste is still filled in the land or drained into water. Therefore, environmental pollution has become a serious problem facing all countries. According to the data, scrub tires are the most harmful because they cannot be degraded in nature. 1.5 billion tires have been produced around the world, and 1 billion of tires have reached their useful life. This number will continue to rise in the future. Prior to this, few articles have investigated the ground improvement by changing the scrub rubber form. If more than 10% of the fine aggregate is replaced with scrub rubber, the concrete will lose workability. Thus, this is essential to control the sizes of form of the rubber fiber in modified concrete. Now let's talk about the literature review. For the literature review, I have read many articles in this field. The application of rubber aggregates in concrete was first proposed by Edin and Sozi. They prepared concrete containing crushed tires and rubber particle and tested its various properties. The results shows that the property of concrete, especially the tensile strength and the compressive strength, decrease after adding rubber material. However, adding rubber can prevent the brittle cracking of concrete and improve the ductility of concrete. In recent years, many scientists have carried out extensive research on rubber concrete, such as changing the form of rubber. However, the addition of rubber will reduce the concrete strength because the stiffness of rubber is lower than that of concrete. The main purpose of rubber surface treatment is to change the bond between rubber and concrete because of the hydrophobicity of rubber. Porous structures form between rubber and concrete. This porous structure will reduce the performance of concrete, so rubber surface treatment is particularly important. Now let's talk about the research question. The purpose of the study was to evaluate the feasibility of larger tire fibers for rubber modified concrete and the further study other aspects of modified concrete performance. This study is of great significance because the use of large tire fiber can greatly reduce the recovery cost and improve the recovery rate of waste tires. Now let's talk about the research design. Cement, gravel, naturals, and water configuration concrete was used to prepare concrete. Concrete with compressive strength of 40 MP was used as the control group. Tire fiber instead of cost aggregate 15% in the process of preparing. Slumps and gas content of the sample were tested. The concrete was cured in controlled environment for 28 days. The samples of divided into three groups. The first group served as the control group. The second group was treated with sodium hydrate solution. The third group was physically controlled. In order to study the effect of fiber length on the property of modified concrete, three kinds of tire fiber with different lengths were used. The conclusion can be drawn after the experimental data. Now let's talk about the conclusion. In my presentation, I did these three things. Firstly, I did an introduction on my topic. Then I try to explain why my topic is important. Second, I use the literature review to further explain my topic. For example, in order to solve the extremes problem of rubber modified concrete, people think of using surface treatment method to solve this. Finally, I design an experiment and solved the problem. Thank you for watching.